Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
Alright, this is going to be a video about, I'm just going to talk to you about me as a father. Okay? So if you're expecting this video to be like, oh, amazing, wow, something of value, it's just talking from the heart. Okay? Yeah, I don't know if you're going to get anything of value. I'm just talking from the heart. And it's about being a father. As you know, it's my first time being a father. This is my first baby, my child. Oh, and her. Oh man. Whatever I was, talkative, mischievous, hyper, crazy, irritating, rebellious, my daughter is a 10x magnification of that. She has so much energy. It's not even funny, man. It's like, oh my goodness. I'll give you an example. The other day I just asked my wife at night, in the night, just press my head, it's paining. So, I was lying down in the bedroom in the bed, and my head was on my wife's lap, and she was just massaging my head. My little one was watching her ABCD outside. Obviously she wants attention, so she bought her things and she came into the room, and she saw me and my wife, and no sooner she saw us, she started singing and talking, and it's not like a silent song or soft, very loud, full volume. Oh, it's raining also. Full volume, la 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 lee doo. Oh my goodness. And she was actually singing that ABCD song or whatever song. Okay, now if she sang it for like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I understand. For the next I think 25-30 minutes, my wife, as she was pressing this, my baby was not only singing but running, jumping, and I just asked my wife, is this how she normally is? My wife is saying, oh, you came to know that now? Women have a way of answering. She is like this from the minute she gets up. I said, how is that even possible? She's saying, yeah, you lock yourself in the room, you don't know that. Like, oh, okay. In the half an hour that my baby was there, she drove me mad. Even though I was trying to close my eyes and just relax. And she was jumping, and sometimes she was trying to jump on top of me, and I had to be very careful she doesn't jump on my nuts. So oh goodness. Oh, I have been hyper as a child, but this hyper, I know for a fact my kid has ADHD. I know that for a fact, and for me it's not a problem, but man, phew, that is hell lot of energy, man. Whew. They say, you learn patience and tolerance. Oh my goodness. I'm lucky that I locked myself in the room. Oh, I would have gone mad. Now that is one thing. Okay, the other thing that my daughter likes to do is she doesn't give up. Like, I'm sitting in my room, she'll knock, tuck, 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 tuck. And I'm like, yeah, what? Knock, knock, knock. She'll keep knocking. Da, 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 da. And I'm like, ah. And if my wife is in the toilet, she knocks even more. So finally she comes in. When my wife is there, she'll not knock because my wife will say, don't disturb Papa. So she comes in, and now what I've done is I have purchased some chocolates. You might have seen in some of the videos. I purchase chocolates and I keep it up. Whenever she comes or whenever she listens, I give her, there are a couple of chocolates there. Small ones, nothing expensive. And she'll choose. It's so funny. I'll one day share a video. How does how does she choose her chocolates? I open the bag and like how she'll ask me for chocolates. She'll come into my room and she'll ask me, she'll tell me, what you want, because I ask her, what do you want? So she asks me, she's asking me, what do you want? I always tell her, I don't want anything, what do you want? She's waiting for me to ask, what do you want? So she'll come in, what you want? I say, I don't want anything. So then obviously I make the mistake of asking, oh yeah, tell me, what do you want? And then she does not say chocolate, she says chocolate. So I say, okay. So I first check with the wife, is it okay to give her a chocolate? Because if she's eating food, I don't give her chocolate. And I make sure that she doesn't eat chocolate the whole day. So if the wife says yes, then I go up, pick up the bag, I open it. And when I open it, just imagine, suppose there are only 2 kinds of chocolate, just 2 or 3. 2 or 3 kinds, there's not many. She'll be like, like as if she's really using her, like computing knowledge to evaluate, oh, this one compared to this, the sugar quantity, the fat, and she's like analyzing, she'll go that way, okay? Finally she'll pick up one chocolate, and then sometimes she's very shy. What she'll do is she'll take one, but she'll take 2, 3 at the same time. Okay, I said no, only one. Okay, then she'll put back and take one, and then she puts the other hand. I said no, only one. Okay, so she understands that she cannot take more than one, and then she goes. So this is one thing which is kind of cute about her. Another thing, I don't know if this video is offering any value. I'm just sharing the joys of being a father. It's kind of cute, man, all this stuff. Like the other one, another cute thing that happened was one day when I sleep, I lock the door. One day I forgot to lock the door, so my daughter walked in. My wife was in the toilet. She comes in when my wife goes in the toilet. Otherwise my wife doesn't allow her to come in. So she saw me sleeping, and this is the first time that she came. And obviously she waked me, daddy, and then she actually came and lay down on top of me, hugging me. That felt nice, man. I don't know how to describe, but it felt nice that my daughter hugged me. I was a little happy. A daughter normally doesn't do that, but she hugged and she lay there for some time. My sleep went away, but I was just enjoying that moment. It was a special moment for me that my baby hugged me and stayed there. It just made me a little happy. She loves her papa. By the way, my daughter did a drawing. She didn't do a drawing, my wife did a drawing. I'll show you that later. And after she drew it, my daughter said, daddy. It's a really funny one. I'll show it to you. It's like a round face with some these tattoos. So she's able to identify that I'm her daddy. So really silly, but kind of makes me happy. I don't want to get too emotional about this, but it's kind of nice. And one last thing, I'll give one last incident. Whenever she gets hurt, she has to show me. Okay, it can be anything, like fall or anything. Sometimes it's drama, like oh, she'll show like that, and then she wants to open the door so she can come in and take the chocolate. Okay, so she's smart that way. But when she really gets hurt and she falls down, and she cries, nothing serious, and then she shows her mummy, and then she wants to show me. She has to come and show me. She says, daddy. So then my wife says, okay, you want to show daddy, you want to show papa. So they knock on my door, and I've shown this previous video. She comes in, and then she will show it to me, like where she got hurt. She'll show me, and the funny thing is, when she walks in, it's not crying, she's not crying, nothing. But the minute I say, what happened? She starts crying, like suddenly more. What happened? Because I give her that attention and I look at her, she cries, and she's showing me and actually sobbing, and tears are coming out and all that. And then she'll do that for 1-2 minutes, And then suddenly, I'm telling you this, I'm not even making this up. She'll stop crying, like switch off, and then she'll say, "Chokit." So I'm like, okay, that was pretty manipulative. Oh man. Sometimes I get angry, when I'm busy, and I obviously spank her on the ass sometimes. I don't want to, but once a while, and then she cries and sobs. I don't feel good about that, but what to do, man? Sometimes you go crazy, So anyway, I just wanted to share these thoughts and experiences as a father. I'm just hoping that one day when I die, which I will, my daughter gets to see these memories, these moments where her father speaks about her, and something I never had. So I'm just leaving it for my daughter, that one day when I die, this will forever be available for her to know that her father may not say 100 times he loves her, but he definitely does. Emotionally, crazy stuff. Anyway, don't mind, I just wanted to share this. And I'll also share with you another video later on. My daughter has this habit of taking this chihuahua. She thinks it's a toy, and she puts it on top of the cupboard. That's another crazy stuff my daughter does. You'll forever be on the edge once you get a child, I'll tell you that much. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share. You guys take care. This is me signing off. Chal man.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.